Hi Vogue! I hope you're all doing amazing. So as you already saw from today's thumbnail, today we're going to be recreating Madelyn Cline's Vogue Beauty Secrets makeup routine, which is obviously so exciting, and I'm very curious to see how her makeup is going to look on me. So if you are too, then keep on watching. And if you're new here, you probably don't know this, but this is kind of like a series, so I already recreated the makeup routines of 5 different celebrities. So if you want, go check it out. And yeah, guys, let me know which celebrity you would like to see next in the comments, and if you want to check out my other social media, I'll have a link in the description. And without further ado, let's get started. So as always, I'm gonna have a screen for you right here so you can see what she's doing, and let's start.
Hey guys, it's Madelyn Cline, and I am going to be doing my skincare routine and a little zhuzhed everyday look with a winged eye and maybe a peachy lip. Let's do it.
So first things first, she's tying her hair up. So let's just do that, I guess. Also, I'm going out with my boyfriend after this video, so I really need the makeup to look good. So if it doesn't look good, then I'm kind of screwed. Okay, we listen and we don't judge. I look kind of bold. This is definitely not the most flattering hairstyle for me.
This is my Ride or Die face wash. I've been using it since I was 13. I saw this on TikTok, and I can't remember who did the video, but she used a brush to wash her face. It's changed my life, so let's get started. I might use like maybe an inordinate amount. That's okay. You go in and you like kind of mix it up, make it foamy. Take your hands, like whatever is left on your hands, and just like press into your face. And it just like makes me feel like it's actually like getting in my pores. I have noticed a difference in like the amount of like blackheads that I've been getting.
Okay, so now she's washing her face, and just a warning, I guess. So the face wash she's using, I tried it and I was breaking out so bad, and that's because the soap she's using, it kind of like cleans your face from within. So it is a good soap, but I don't want to use it because I don't want to break out. But if you want to try and use this soap, I would 100% recommend. But just so you know, the warning is that you're going to break out for the first 1 or 2 months. It depends with your skin type, I don't know. But it is also drying your face, so use a good moisturizer. That is my tip or advice. So of course, I'm also going to try the technique with a makeup brush, and I'm going to use my Biotin face wash, micellar cleansing gel with hyaluronic gold.
Cleanses, smooths, replumps with moisture, with probiotics for all skin type, hyaluronic acid, and gold proteins.
This one has it all. So I guess I'll just stick some on my hand. 1.5, I think that's good. So I guess we're just mixing the soap so we can get this foamy texture. We can do ASMR, just listen. This is a whole workout session. And then she's just going on her face. I feel like a man trying to shave my face, and I'm not very successful with it.
Start by running your brush under warm water before adding a fingerful of shit. Now you're ready for the razor.
And she kind of presses the soap on her skin, which, okay. Okay, let me wash it off. And I would gently press the towel onto our skin, gently to dry our face.
Always pat your face dry. It like retains moisture. Lotion P50 1970. I just like put like a little bit on my palm.
So for toner, as we all know, I'm going to use my Glow Recipe Pore Tight Toner, and this one's honestly so good. I'm running out of it. I need to go get a new one, but it is honestly so good, and also it smells sensational. And also this is phenomenal if you want to use it underneath your makeup. Chef's kiss.
SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Serum. Anything you put on after.
I'm going to use my hyaluronic acid serum from The Ordinary, and I'm also out of this one. Like, what is going on? Okay, at this point I just sucked the life out of it, so I think rest in peace.
I will remember you.
Better. I use this Phyto A brightening treatment, also by SkinCeuticals. After using that benzoyl peroxide, it does dry my face out quite a bit. I always carry around like some sort of moisturizer because I hate the feeling of dry skin. I also like feeling dewy. Some people would say I look sweaty. It's just how.
Told ya. So next year I'm going to use my Advanced Snail 96, and this one is so moisturizing. I would highly recommend you go and get your hands on this product. It is so good. It's honestly so hydrating.
Holy grail of moisturizers. My favorite, it's Barbara Sturm face cream.
I can tell this girl loves her skincare routine. For me, my daily skincare routine is basically this toner from Glow Recipe and a moisturizer. Oh, and sunscreen, of course. And by the way, this is my Anua Intense Calming Cream.
Sunscreen, always. SPF 50, SPF 30 minimum. I used to not wear sunscreen a lot.
That was a very good side eye. And I'm also running out of this one as well, so I need to go and grab a lot of things next time I go to the mall. Dirty cash, I want you. I use quite a lot of it.
Running, we're sweating, we're in the water. Eye serum. This one's by Clarins. It's called the Double Serum. If you look closely, there's one little thing in here, and then there's another thing in here. I do use strong.
So I'm going to use this brightening eye cream, and this one has coffee in it. I've been using it for quite some time now, and also I bought one for my boyfriend because it is that good.
I'm accustomed to it. The Kiss You Lip Mask. For
lip mask, I'm using my Mario Badescu lip mask, and this one is so good. It is honestly sensational. I feel like I say sensational way too many times.
Before I start my makeup, my perfume, Baccarat Rouge. Something I learned is if you spray like the back of your neck lightly, then that's what people smell when you're walking away from them. You know how everybody says Rihanna smells so good?
Okay, so for fragrance, I'm going to use this one from the Body Shop, and this is the Eau de Toilette. It makes you smell clean, and okay, we're putting some, I don't understand it. I always put perfume like right before I leave because, you know, I'm wearing the clothes and all that stuff, so it's going everywhere and it just lasts longer. And now after the 100 skincare steps, after the 100 struggles that we've been through, and after the whole video, half of this video was the skincare steps, I look like I came from the sea.
It's like I came from the sea.
I look like a dolphin.
Look like a dolphin.
Like a baby dolphin.
Like a baby dolphin.
Okay, I'm pretty sure that was from an Elf commercial.
Is Fair Light Reflecting Foundation, but I really like it because it feels like I get coverage. It still feels like my skin looks like skin. It says shake well. Maybe that's definitely not the right shade. When in doubt, blend it out. Have I been wrong this whole time? Oh my god, this is like the absolute wrong time for this to be happening. Not for Vogue. I'm gonna have like a stern conversation with some of my friends because nobody said anything. Foundation is not foundationing.
So for foundation, I'm going to use my beloved Huda Beauty Easy Bake Natural Airbrush Foundation, and you have to shake this one as well before you use it, so dipping through my fingers all the time. So she's using it on her hand first. I think I used way too much. So taking a brush, I think this is a pretty good shade. It is kind of pale, but I love this foundation. It honestly gives your face like a blurry effect, kind of. I don't know how to explain it, but it is so good. And also it blends like a dream.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now that I've used it all over my face, I definitely look like a ghost.
Oh Oh my god, this is like the absolute wrong time for this to be happening. Not for Vogue. I'm gonna have like a stern conversation with some of my friends because nobody said anything. Foundation is not foundationing. Just put it on your neck. We have sufficiently blended her. For a second it was giving Oompa Loompa, now it's giving matching. I think I'm gonna do concealer now. And this concealer is pretty light.
I call my boyfriend Oompa Loompa, and if you don't know who that is, are you living under a rock?
I don't do my own makeup for press.
So next step for concealer, I'm going to use my Lancome Paint Idol Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. It is so good. So she's using it under her cheekbones, under her nose I think, and of course under the eyes. And she's dragging it down her nose a little bit and a little bit on her chin. And she's blending it out with a beauty blender. So cutesy and so mindful in my opinion. I usually use a little bit on my forehead as well, but apparently we're skipping that step.
I almost kind of need the accountability of someone showing up to my door because otherwise I'm gonna snooze all my alarms. I love my makeup artist. We just kind of make it like super fun. Like we'll get coffee, we have like our little morning chat, and then if it's like a night event, we'll do lemon drops. That's the highlight of the night. It's like a girls' night and I love it. Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I have used this since I was like 18, this guy, and I do this guy. I have always thought of like skincare and like even doing like a, you know.
So next we're going with powder bronzer, and of course I'm going to use my Dior bronzer, my all-time favorite Ride or Die bronzer. It got discontinued, I'm so sorry, but they have new ones that I really want to try, but I think I want to finish this one as well. Also, don't swipe as she was doing in the video because you can disturb your makeup so easily with that.
Beautiful skin, and I just remember thinking, oh, I'm so jealous, like I wish my skin was like that. I like to button my nose. I see girls do this all the time on TikTok and I think it's so cute. I'm using the same Kat Von D palette and I'm using the same colors. Take one of these light powders.
Okay, so now I'm going to contour my nose, and she's doing like a button nose effect to her nose. She kind of has a button nose, I would say, but I guess she wants to enhance her natural features, which is so beautiful.
Is that baking? I'm baking! So next step is blush. I like to use this one, it's called Shelly by...
So apparently now she's baking. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Pound Cake and set the concealer. We're baking!
Benefit, and it's really cute, like it's got a little shell on it. These are incredibly tinted, like, so use sparingly. I used to hate my eyes. People call me bug eyes. And now I really appreciate them. Like after like growing into them, I really love the shape.
So for blush, I'm going to use my NARS in the shade Orgasm X. And this one is also very pigmented. So I'm like honestly just doing this and that's it. You don't need a lot of it because it is crazy how pigmented this is. And it also has this shimmer to it, which I love.
I love your eyebrows too. Next step is eyebrows. My favorite, holy grail. I don't do anything to my brows. Like I just prefer to keep them the way they are and then shape them when I do my makeup. One time I shaved from here to here, like because one of my friends offered to give me a Visa card and it was gonna pay for like my hair appointment the next day. I didn't realize how slowly eyebrows go back. Another reason why I don't really touch my eyebrows is because this one never quite grew back the same. But free hair appointment, you know what I mean? Like, hair is expensive.
For eyebrows, we're doing the exact same thing, which is so funny. And I'm also just fluffing them up and filling them in a little bit where it's needed.
It's the Urban Decay 24/7. It just makes my lashes look longer and fuller and darker even before we go in with mascara. A really exciting thing happened to me last summer. I got cast in a movie called Glass Onion, which is a Knives Out mystery. I just can't believe it has been over a year since we were filming. It's the most...
So for my waterline, I'm going to use this Endless Silky Eye Pen from Pixie Beauty, and this one is so pigmented. So I'm just using it on my waterline. Oh. It's going everywhere.
They're real. Precision liner. I saw this thing where you like follow the line of your like bottom eyelid. Oh boy. We did it! Very happy about it.
So eyeliner, I'm going to use, this is the e.l.f. eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and I haven't used this one I think in any of my videos, but it's also one of my favorites. So following the line of my waterline, I kind of have hooded eyelids, so it is hard. This turned out quite perfect. What, like it's hard?
What, like it's hard?
Okay, now we're going with eyeshadow, and she's not using any eyeshadow. She's using her blush as an eyeshadow, which is fine. I'm just afraid mine is going to be too pink for me.
A little product called Freck XL. I have little freckles that get covered up with makeup, and I just like to go in and bring them back out.
I guess next we're doing freckles. This freckle tint is honestly so good. I got it from Glam, and I've had it for 2 years now, and it's going strong.
Mascara. I really like this. This is Armani. This is where that liner underneath on the waterline, you can really tell what a difference that makes.
So next she's using a mascara, and of course I'm going to use my well-trusted Maybelline Sky High mascara in black. This one is the best mascara I've ever tried in my life. I swear by it. And she's also going on her lower lashes, so...
Peachy lip. I love these Hermes lip oils. They're so nice, and they keep your lips moisturized. I think I'm gonna mix these two, but before I do that, kind of contour my lips. I'm gonna start with orange, and we'll see how we like it.
So she's using a brownish lip liner to contour her lips, so that's what I'm going to do. So she's using an orange and a pink color, but I have 2 in 1. This one is a little bit orange, but still has a pinky kind of color. So I'm gonna do this one, just this one. This one is so good. And this one is the Huda Beauty Fox Filler in the shade She Flirty.
I like that. I think that's pretty. I'm gonna do a little bit of the pink though. Those are my beauty secrets. I hope you were sufficiently entertained. Love you.
Okay, you guys, so this is the final makeup. What do we think? Do I look like Madelyn Cline? Probably not, but it's fine. So this makeup is so like feminine, so clean, and it suits her so well. But if I were to wear this makeup, the only thing that I would remove is probably the inner corner eyeliner, and that's it. I think I'm in love with this makeup. So please let me know which other celebrity you would like to see next, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to comment down below. And I guess this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you!